What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. CC here, and in today's video I'll be sharing how I make my natural face toner using apple cider vinegar and essential oils. Okay guys, so here I have my bottle of water, and this is distilled water, and make sure you're using the apple cider vinegar with the mother. So I'm going to measure out 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and add it to my water. The essential oils that I'll be using for this toner are lemongrass and tea tree oil, and I'm adding 3 drops of each oil to my mixture. Both of these oils have acne fighting properties and so much more amazing benefits for the skin. Benefits such as the ones listed on the screen. The apple cider vinegar also have amazing benefits for your skin. Here are some of those benefits also listed on the screen. So I would normally use this toner at the end of the day once I've taken a shower and washed my face. Then I'll just add some of the toner to a cotton swab and clean my face. Go ahead and clean your face thoroughly, cleaning behind your ears, under your neck, and everywhere in sight. You would be amazed to see how many dirt is left behind even after using a facial cleanser or soap to wash your face. I try to do this every night, but realistically it's probably done every other night, and you could just go ahead and sleep after that. Or sometimes I use my natural oil and put it all over my face. Here I'm using some pure aloe vera oil. This is also good for your skin. It's important to keep your face moisturized and supple in the night before going to bed. So this is definitely a step you could implement. And that's it guys. That is how I make my natural face toner and how I use it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.